Hi guys. Hi guys. Good day. Y'all are welcome. Okay. You're welcome, Chris. Good to have you here. Welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you, Chris. You're welcome. Yeah, Will. It's good to you. Good to see you. Y'all are welcome. Wow, I like the turn up today. It's quite encouraging. I appreciate that. You all came out fast. You all joined the live very fast. So I appreciate that. So yeah. Hello, Ravi. Good to see you. Welcome. Welcome. So, I'll just start immediately. I want to make sure everyone can hear me. So, if you can hear me clearly and you can say, yes, I can hear you, and you can see my chat, just drop a comment. Drop a comment if you can hear me clearly and see my chat before I go on to trading. If you can hear me clearly and see my chat, drop a comment to notify me. Say yes, I can hear and see. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. That's very good. Thank you so much. Okay, Moses, good to see you. Welcome. Everyone said they can hear me and uh they can see my chat too. Yeah, welcome, Yusuf. Good to have you all in today's live broadcast. All right, so let's jump straight to the chat. So it's a new week, it's a new month. Happy new month, and happy new week at the same time. So let me just go straight to the chat. All right, so happy new month and happy new week at the same time. It's another time to it's a new week, new money, another time to hunt to the market and see what we can achieve uh, before the end of the week. So It's always great seeing the market opens, and I'm sure some of us are prepared ourselves. We are getting ready to hunt the market. So let me just start with my usual analysis. If I see some right, so normally I like I said start by selecting a good market. The first thing you need to do always look out for the market condition. You want to pick a good market whereby the delivery of price action is just going smoothly well. That's what you want to do. So this is CHF JPY. This market is to some extent is okay. Let me see if I can still see something more better on NZD card. Okay, here we're having some consolidations, but now the market is buying on NZD CHF. I don't like this chart. We are seeing too many weak candles. Too many weak candles here on USD INR. Okay, yeah, we just had some weak candles, but it's not really that. It's not encouraging. Don't like it. This one is rough. Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY looks good to some extent. I'll add it. I'm going to come back to it. Euro AD. I'll leave Euro AD. Euro USD. Euro USD is not clear. Um, Chris is saying that my screen is blurry. I don't understand, but the audio is good. Yeah, Picados, good to see you. Welcome to this live broadcast. I don't understand what Chris is saying. I'm just showing the chat now, so maybe you can check if it's your internet making it blurry. All right, so I'll just continue. Okay, like I'm saying, Euro USD is not that clear, and let me take it off. Um, I'm happy to see your comments go through. He said all good. All right, I'm happy to see that. Goes to say everything is fine. Everything is fine. So I should just continue. All right. So on Euro USD, the market looks. I'm seeing weak candles. Maybe I'll just leave the currencies and focus on stocks. I'll just leave the currency and focus on stocks since the currency pairs are not giving uh, good signals. So on American Express, still not clear. Boeing getting consolidation. Facebook, wow. Intel, not good enough. On Johnson, okay. This Johnson looks fair. Let me see what the 5 minutes chart looks like. Right, if you look at the 5 minutes chart here, the market is giving lower low, lower high, but it has stopped. It couldn't go below this low. So since it couldn't go below that low, probably it wants to give us a double top pattern and start buying and start giving us a higher high, higher low pattern. So I think this Johnson will start buying. Might be looking out for buy signals on Johnson. Might be looking out for buy signals on Johnson. And so the market should be maybe reaching for this level up there. In terms of bias, the market should be buying towards there. I see a good setup, I'm going to buy. So I'll be watching that Johnson for a buy signal while I look for more. On McDonald's, this is consolidating. On Microsoft, consolidation. On Pfizer, Pfizer is not too bad. Okay, I think this Pfizer wants to start selling. Market was giving us higher, high, higher low pattern here, but it came here, it couldn't go above this high. Sellers push the market. I think that Pfizer is not giving. I'll just come back to it. Okay, so today I'm still waiting for a clear signal. It's Monday. Some days Mondays are trending, some days Mondays are consolidating, but we'll just wait and see what we're gonna get in the next few minutes. Oh, this one the percentage is down now. I think I'm gonna go off from that. I'm gonna go off from that pair. Wow, most of the markets are in consolidation. Most of it. All right, like I said, this Johnson was giving us lower, low, lower high pattern, couldn't go below, and now the market wants to start buying, and it's going to buy to come for this high, and we're already seeing bias already. It's kind of like giving a a double bottom pattern uh from the 5 minutes chart. It's giving us a double bottom pattern, but I want to be sure that buyers are really interested. That's why I'm not taking a trade yet. I want to be sure. I wanted to see a strong bias candle. That's when I'll buy, so that I will not be stuck in a consolidation. What's happening to my screen? Hello, I want to be sure. This guy is still complaining that he's not seeing my screen clearly. If you can see my screen clearly, please drop a comment. Tell me you can see my screen clearly. Let me know if it's from my end or his own end. I don't know. Please drop a comment if you can see my screen clearly. This guy say he can't see my screen clearly. I don't understand. Might be getting a signal on this US crude. I think I could be selling here for the next 4 minutes. Okay, Chris, please check your end. It's from your end. Will say he can see my screen clearly. So it could probably be your internet. So please check from your end. I don't know why my screen should be blurry. It's never been blurry before. So it's from your end. Thank you, Gospel. Thank you. All right. So I took a sell here because of this good sellers entry giving so here stronger sellers and the market is at a very high price. You can see the market is at a high, like the highest price. The market is not down, so the market is at a high. So the market is likely going to sell when it is at a high price. All right. I took that sell. So that was why I took this sell for 4 minutes because the market is at a high price and I'm expecting it to drop. So let's see how it goes. Let me see how the 5 minutes looks like. All right, you can clearly see too on the 5 minutes chart of this US crude, the market is giving us higher highs and lower lows. So it has made a high, made a low bottom pattern, and I saw some good sellers interest on the 1 minute chart. So that was why I took that sell trade. I'm on the third candle. Hopefully it closes below my entry. All right, so I'm on the last candle. I'm on the last candle here, and it's going very well. One, two, three, four. This is the last candle. Hopefully, the market closes below my entry for a sell signal here. For those that might be wondering, you can see it's a live account. They're making real time, real life trading, real live account. I love the entry on this trade. Such a beautiful entry. Sniper. Wow, the market is still dropping. That was a good sell off. Okay, perfect. That was a beautiful item. I'll wait. What I'll be expecting on this market now, after the close of this 5 minute candle, this 5 minute candle is going to close in 1 minute 42 seconds. So after the close of this 5 minute candle, I think I'll wait and see what the next market direction could be. Probably the market could still drop on the next 5 minute candle, or buyers could take the market higher in the form of this pattern I've been talking about, in the form of higher high, higher low. But I think to some extent, we could still get one more red candle on the 5 minute chart, because this is looking like an evening star pattern. This pattern here is looking like an evening star pattern. So uh, the market could still sell on the next 5 minute candle, hopefully. So if the market is going to sell on the next 5 minute candle, then we could see this pattern come up here, the lower low, lower high pattern. That's what I might get. If the 5 minute candle closes as a weak candle here, I wouldn't sell. I would like to see a strong 5 minutes close candle. Okay, that's a little bit weak. It's a medium candle. It's not really strong. The market could probably sell, but I would love to see a stronger red candle on the 5 minute chart. So I'll wait and I'll come back to this market and see. All right, so look at my signal on Johnson. I called earlier that the market was going to give us higher high, higher low. The markets bought, but it couldn't go above the high. That means it's a range bound market from the 5 minute chart. That means the market is ranging within here. It's probably consolidating on the 5 minute chart. The market was not able to go above that line I marked. So that means this is a consolidation market on the 5 minutes. I might go out. I might be watching it, or I might just take it off. Let me look at other pairs. This market is selling, but I don't like the wicks I'm seeing on the candles. I don't like the wicks. On CHF, JPY, we're seeing some consolidations. On NZD card, we're still seeing some consolidations. All right, on NZD CHF, the market is giving us higher, high, higher, low. NZD CHF, the market is giving us higher, high, higher, low. And I think the market could just sell. I'm going to sell on this market. I'm selling here because of this weak bias candle. And you can see the market pattern, higher, high, higher, low. So I'm expecting a higher low here, just like the previous signal I took. I'm expecting a higher low, and then later the market should uh, continue buying. When I looked at the 5 minutes chart too, uh, the market is just going out from a consolidation on the 5 minutes chart. So you could probably give us higher, higher low before buying. It's quite a risky signal. I'm not really that 100% sure, but we have a level up here. Some reversals around there that could support the market to sell. And if the market is going to sell, it could sell to this point. Market could sell down to this region. I like the market to sell towards there. Let me look more clearly on the 5 minutes chart. Oh, it's kind of like consolidating. Okay, buyers are more interested. All right, the market is buying on the 5 minutes. That means I'm going to join the market to buy. I thought the market could just reverse just like the way it did on the other chart and then continue buying, but the market is buying already on the 5 minutes chart. So I think that's a lost trade. Okay, this guy has been consolidating. Okay. So from the 5 minutes chart here, I was thinking the market would just do higher, high, higher, low, but we're getting more buyers. So what I'm going to do is to buy, or probably if I see another signal, that's when I'm going to sell. But the market is buying on the 5 minutes chart. I want to look more closely. All right, let's see. Let's see the kind of signal we're going to get next. Previous loss. So since I left this pair, since I won my trade here, you can see it has been consolidating. And I call that because the market is not clear in the next direction. If you look at the 5 minutes chart, the market is not clear in the next direction. Because of this weak red candle, I was not sure if the market is going to buy or sell. So that was why I left that pair. And this one on Johnson, the market was ranging. I said the market is going to buy to clear that high, but a buy got up here and reversed. But now, I think we're getting some stronger sellers entry into the market. The market is selling strongly. Let's see the close of this candle. If it goes below that low, I think I'll be selling. The market closes below the low there. I think I'll be selling. On this one, I'm not fast. I wanted to buy on 3 minutes here, but I'm not fast enough. Oh wow, I missed that signal. I wanted to buy here for 3 minutes because you can see stronger bias entry. The market is giving us higher high, higher low. But before I could select my expiry time for 3 minutes, the market has gone. It's all good. I'm gonna wait for another signal. I'm gonna wait for another signal. All right, good to know. Good to know. So you can follow up now. Wheels, you said my screen is paused. I don't know. Maybe it's the internet. So I missed the trade here. I wanted to buy there for 3 minutes. Since I sold, it didn't work out. But you can see the market has been buying. So this would have been a good buy signal. One, two, three. That should have been my last candle. I'm gonna wait for another clearer signal. All right, so you can see um, this pair, Johnson, the market closed below the low, but the bias reversal is quite strong. The bias reversal is quite strong, but that might still be a good signal for a sell. I think I will sell there. All right, so I sold here because I'm expecting the market to give me lower low, lower high pattern. And on the 5 minutes chart, the market went below that low. You see, on the 5 minutes chart, the market closed below the lows here after it was consolidating. So I'm expecting a lower low, lower high pattern on the 5 minutes chart. That's what I'm expecting on this Johnson. If the market is ready to sell, we should continually get sellers in the market because the market went below the lows here. But if it doesn't sell, that means the market is still working with the range. I don't see why the market shouldn't sell. All right. We say it's okay. That's good to know. So just to recap, I'm expecting this market to drop in the form of lower low, lower high. I don't want to see consolidating. If it's trending, it should just keep on selling. I don't know if we want to get red green pattern here. The market is neither buying or selling, but I know this is a good signal. Market is supposed to drop. This is a good signal. Maybe the market is going to sell after the close of this 5 minutes candle. Wow. That's serious buying. What I expected was the market to break this low and sell. But I guess the market is still ranging. I'll wait for another signal. I'm going to come back to that. I think the market is still ranging there. The market is not ready to trend. Okay. All right. So far, I've taken about I think 3 trades now. One win, two loss. Hopefully, I recover on the next. I don't see why this market is still within this range. It's all good. Okay, this one has been consolidating. Here we're seeing weak candles. Here I expected a sell, but the market's, I don't know if that was a fake move, but the market is still ranging here. I'm gonna, when the market goes above the high or below the low, that's when I'm gonna take another trade on this pair. So you don't fall for the fake reversal. Let me look at more first. All right, this pair looks good. This pair looks good. The market is selling, and it's breaking this level. Let's see how the market goes below the level. The market goes below that level. You should expect more sellers into the market. On this USD INR, we're going to expect more sellers if the market goes below the level there. So what I'm going to be expecting here is just the same pattern, lower low, lower high pattern. You can clearly see good sellers. The market has gone below the level. So all I can do here is just to sell, but I'll wait for a good entry. I would have loved to sell around here just to get the best entry. But the market didn't get there. That would have been a very good entry for me. I think the market could just keep on selling. But I was just waiting for that entry. That would have been a sniper entry. Could probably come there. I think the market could still get there. But it needs to be more than that. So I was expecting the market to retrace to this point and trail, but it's already selling. I don't know if he wants to retrace more higher before it sells, but this is a short selling market. This is a very clear trade. This is a short selling market of lower low, lower high pattern. The short selling market. Okay, you can see this pair I checked. Johnson is still within here. It has not been able to go above that high. It went below this low, but I don't know why it didn't sell. When I took that trade, I'm expecting the market to sell, but the market has been ranging. It has been ranging within the high and the low. So after it took the low. Normally, you don't do it like that. So you can see clearly on the 5 minutes chart, the market is still consolidating. There's no point taking any signal on that pair. On this guy, oh, that was a good signal. Uh, on US crude, the market is selling well now. I think we could keep on getting sellers entry into this market. I would like to see the range of this market using Fibonacci. I like to see the range. Okay. The market will keep on dropping. 0.6. Okay. Market will keep on dropping towards this level. So on this US crude, this would have been a good signal. Lower low, lower high. I could have sold around here. But I'm just missing some good trades because I'm looking on at so many things. Here, the market has been consolidating. I'll take it off. All right. So this market retraced 1, 2, 3, 4. That was still an item. So I didn't really get to where I was waiting for. Market didn't touch the level I was expecting. Probably the market could come up or it could just keep on selling. Yeah. So like I said, this was a short selling market, still giving the lower low, lower high pattern. I just expected it to come up a little, but it didn't do that. Let me see if I could still take one or two more trades. Let me see what's happening over here on Boeing. Here, the market is still within a range too. You can see a rough marker here. Okay, I think this market looks good. This market on Pfizer, this Pfizer chart looks good. The market has been buying, but now it wants to sell. Give us okay. So finally, this pair on Johnson, the market is buying now. I think this one is clear. Market has gone above the highs that was actually calling. So now this market should just keep on buying and buying on Johnson. On crude, the market has sold completely. Probably it could reverse now. On this other pair, okay, we got bias entry all of a sudden. So what we might be getting on this pair is that the market could run up to this level I marked before selling again. And then on Pfizer, uh, we're seeing some green, red, green, red. I would like to wait for the next candle to close. Then I will see what's happening on that pair. Volatile. I don't. What do you mean by volatile? Volatile means the market is moving quite fast, or the market is moving. Uh, the market is just moving. Volatile is a good market when you say the market is volatile. But when the market is choppy, CHOPPY, that's when the market is rough. But yeah, the market is rough to some extent, but it's not that rough. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I just make that's trading for you. That's how it is. Some days you just come and see good market. Some days it's not that clear. All right. So this market has crossed that high. I hope we keep on buying, but we'll just allow that pair. I don't want to be caught up in the wrong direction. On Pfizer, okay, this market is buying on Pfizer. Higher, high, higher, low. The market is still buying on Pfizer. If I see a clear signal, I could buy on Pfizer. All right, this guy, it's buying to the level I called for. Market is going to buy there. Once it gets there, probably you could start selling. That's what you might see on this pair. Okay, this is the 5 minute chart of Pfizer, and we're seeing serious bias entry. But it's as if sellers are going to come in anytime soon. It's as though sellers are going to come in anytime soon on this pair. I want to see this market keep on buying very well before I can just join the trend. I don't want to buy now and the market reverse. I don't understand the range. See, but I know you should be buying now since it has crossed this high. We should be getting more bias into the market, but I don't know if it's ready to do that. This market is not moving properly the way it should. It's not clear. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, good bias interest on Pfizer. See weekly candles here. Here the market didn't touch that level, but we're seeing some good sellers. Okay. If sellers goes below the low here, that means I could sell. That means the market should keep on selling. But this Pfizer, I'm seeing weekly candles, and I don't like seeing weekly candles. Let me just go through the market again to see if we'll still see any good signal. Here, too many weeks on CHF JPY is rough. NZD card is consolidating. NZD CHF consolidating. Okay, this one I'm already on this pair. And Euro JPY, what do we have? All right, Euro JPY broke market structure, kind of like made a double top pattern here. So as though this Euro JPY is going to be selling. Let me see the 5 minutes chart. All right, from the 5 minutes chart on Euro JPY, I think it should be selling. Should be getting more of sellers in this market on Euro JPY. I'll be watching it. And then Euro USD. Oh, Euro USD looks the same. GBP AD is consolidating. GBP USD. GBP USD looks partially good. Just trying to go through all the markets to see if I'll see something very good. Okay, this UK Brent, this market is selling strongly, but it might reverse anytime soon. With the way I'm seeing the 5 minutes chart, the market could reverse anytime soon, and the payout is small. I've gone through all the stocks. There are no clear signals again. Euro JPY, the payout has reduced. I think I might probably come back next week. I've gone through all the markets here. Um, I think probably today is a choppy market. Since I took the first signal, I've not seen any clear signal yet. I think I missed one or two, but since then it has been consolidating. Okay, let's see if sellers are going to take the market below this low. From the 5 minutes chart, let's see if sellers are going to be more stronger here. Oh, the market is already reversing. Thinks market wants to reverse. It's already showing as a green candle. I thought the market could just sell and go below the level. So probably that's still another consolidation we're getting in this market. That's probably a consolidation. And this pair Johnson, you can see the market is still working within that range. I don't know why the market don't want to go of this range. When it went below this low, I sold. I was so shocked the market had to buy. Normally the market would have went. So far so good. If you have any questions, you can ask before I end the section. Uh, yeah, Wills. What's that about Johnson? The market is ranging on Johnson. It's ranging on Johnson. You can see from the 5 minutes chart, it's just selling at the highs and buying at the lows. When it comes here, it sells, it sells, it sells. I was looking at this small candle. I think this one is part of the range. So normally after this green candle, the market would have just keep on making green candles. But it's now here. I don't know if it's going to go up again or still go down to the point and buy again. So until it breaks above or below this two range, the market is still ranging. So you don't trade on this kind of market. Okay, so I think I will call it a day. Normally it's 1 hour section every Monday, 12 p.m. my time. Hopefully, we're going to continue next week. If you see more good signals, surely I'm going to trade them next week. But that's the market condition we had today. That's trading for you. The first signal was perfect. The second signal, a little bit sloppy. The third signal was very good. But the market was ranging there. So if you have any question, you can send me a message on Telegram. And without any further ado, I'll call it a day. Thank you all for joining this YouTube live section. I really appreciate. Thank you for the turn up, and hopefully we'll continue same time next week Monday. All right.